using the noise.
The dog was interesting, but little water is less.
then
So I made
nature-
it little more interesting by.
Do you
putting
think you'll be
noise
able to
into
find the
nature.
noise?
I think so. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is me Zishan, aka Photography, back with another new vlog. I know it's been a very long time, I haven't done any vlogs or any work because there was a lot of things that was going on in my life. I don't say good and bad, that's what life is made up of. So, a lot of things going on. So this time I'm actually planning to do the vlog, not just do the video recording, just randomly holding the camera and capturing some moments that's happening in front. But I just want it to be like I'll be holding the camera, the actual vlog, like how I actually wanted to do. Since I have always wanted to have some things with me so that I can do it properly and everything. So now I guess there are things properly and I can do it right. So maybe let's see. So this trip is going to be, I'll explain this while riding. Let me not just all put together. So see ya tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. I hope I get up early. That's it. So after Sulya, we have reached our first stop, and that is Puttur. We are right in front of Malingeshwara temple. We have here our teammates, Srisham, Anchit, MB, Arjun and Hesarentada? Anil. Wait, sit on this. ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಾಲಗಂಗಾಧರ ತಿಲಕ್
ಯಾಕೆ ಅದೇ ಕಾಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ನಾವು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
ಎಂಬೀಗ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಊರವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ
ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ
ಎಂತ ತೊಳ್ತದ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ
This is my word!
So what were you about to say?
I'm not going to say anything. Then you introduced something to say. Yo bro. This is my word!
ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಯಬ್ಬ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮುಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ
ಕೆಲಸ
So hi guys, this is Zitography vlogging.
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ
Marante beach. Hi, carry on. ಆನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಇದ್ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ರಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
ಆಗ ರಟ್ಟಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಕರಾಂತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಯ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಅರಿಲ್ ಅದೇ ಇಡುವ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೀಗ? ಅಲ್ಲಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಇಡುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ ಗಾಡಿ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಾಕು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡುವ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಂ.
ಅರ್ಜುನು ಸಸ್ಯಾದದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪುನಃ ನೀನೇ ಸಸ್ಯ ಅದು. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫನ್ನಿ.
ವಾಹ್,
ಏನು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸುತ್ತು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫೌಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವೇನು?
ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬೋದಾ? ನಿಲ್ಲಿರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬೋದು ಮಾರ್ರೆ.
ಹೌದಾ, ಬನ್ನಿ.
ನನ್ನದು ಫೋಟೋ ನೋಡ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಲಿ.
ಇವ ಅಂಚಿಗೆ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಂ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಹಿಡ್ದದು, ಎಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ದದು?
ಒಮ್ಮೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೀನು ಇದು ತೆಗಿದಂತೆ
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಎಂ ಬಿ ಸಹ ಅಂಚಿದ ಹಿಡ್ದಾಗ ಹಿಡಿ.
ಅದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ ಇಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಾಗೆ ಉಂಟು. ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಡೂಡ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ದಾರಿ ಬೋಳ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಅಂತ
ಆನ್ಸೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮದು. ನಾನು ಈ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಿ? ಅನ್ನಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್.
ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸಿಗೆ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅವನೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಬಟ್ಟು.
ಈಗ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮೋಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅವನಿಗೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಓಯೋ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ವಿಗ್ಗಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅದು ಫಿಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಇನ್ನೋವೇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಇನ್ನೋವೇಷನ್.
Good morning guys, and this is the day 2 and we are here at Sunman Hotel. It's in Kumta. Yesterday we had been to Yana. Probably you might have seen that in the previous video. The day 2 was supposed to begin at exactly 6:30 and we were supposed to leave Kumta by 7 o'clock and it's still 7:48 when we haven't left yet.
Some of us haven't even brushed.
Yeah, some people haven't even brushed.
Like the blogger itself.
Look at dead body mahare on. Saw.
Oh, yoga sara bro.
ಇವನಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಜೀವ ಕೊಟ್ಟದು? ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್
ನೋಡ.
ಎಂ ಬಿ ಅವರೇ, ಎಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚಡ್ಡಿ ಹಾಕದೆ ಕೂತೇನೆ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಂತ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ just completed the breakfast and now it's time around 9:18. I guess it'll be around 9:30 before we leave because I know the whole room is messed up like anything. As per the plan, the next stop will be at the Murudeshwara Falls. I have no idea, but people said it is good and everyone said they have seen the photos and it was amazing. So we are planning to go to Murudeshwara Falls and planning to have some good time. So the journey starts here. Let's go, let's go.
ಮುರುಡೇಶ್ವರ ಇದೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದೆ ಅಂತ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಜ್ಜನಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳುದ ಅಂತ.
ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮುರುಡೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಾ ಅಜ್ಜ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಜ್ಜನಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳುವ. ಕೇಳಿ ಬಾ. ನೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗ್, ನೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ.
ನಿಂಗೆ
ಹಾಂ
ನಿಂಗೆ
ನಿಮಗೆಂತ ಆಯ್ತು?
Zishan from Zetography has been he got his leg damaged, so I don't know if you can see there is unevenness in the surface. Okay, let me try and show you. So this is Arjun, Zishan's friend, and I am vlogging on behalf of him because our Zetography has threw his noise earbuds into the woods of Jog. So let us ask his opinion about this. So Zetography, what are your thoughts on what are your thoughts on losing the noise?
The joke was interesting, but little water is less, so I made it a little more interesting by.
Do you think you'll be able to find the noise?
I think so, because Yana once call both already.
Isn't that noise sufficient? Do you have to get this noise?
No, we put noise into nature.
Let's put the other noise too.
You are getting the noise back.
Your noise.
So apparently.
Let me pause this video right here and tell you guys that thanks for watching this video, and this has been already 20 minutes and 20 seconds long, and I just completed editing this part, so this part is remaining to be attached to that video, and once this is done I'll make sure I'll upload this. And nowadays, I'm trying to give you all the quality content, uploading it in 4K. It takes a lot of time. Like if I put this for rendering right now, it's already 20 minutes. I think it will take around 9 to 10 hours. So I hope to upload this very soon. And that's it, guys. Hope the part 2, the way you like the part 1, so similarly you will like the part 2 also. That's it. Have a great day.